Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get started doing your own miners haven. So in the description you're going to get a link to this GitHub, and when you're in this website you're going to want to hit clone or download, download zip. You're going to get a little file. It's going to download. Open that file up, go into here, and here's everything that you'll need. First off, open up the minershaven.rbaxl. After that, go ahead and hit File, Publish to Roblox, create new place, just random stuff. I'm going to have mine privated. In the description, if you do plan on making your own modded Miners Haven, you do need to put this in the description. That will also be in the description down below if you need to get your hands on it. And go ahead and hit create place. Hit next, and you're done. Next, when you hit play, you're going to be like, alright, we're going to load into a map. We're going to be able to do something with that, right? Well, unfortunately, right away, you're not going to be able to do it. Well, unfortunately for me, it showed, but in order to actually get access to it, you need to go into your game settings, go into options, and over here on Enable Studio Access API Services, turn that on. Nextly, if you're curious about the map and where it's located, it's actually located in your server storage. Another important location for stuff is in replicated storage. If you scroll down to here, you'll have items, and here's every item in the game. In this episode, or tutorial, part 1, whatever you want to call it, let's go ahead and talk about daily rewards and Twitter codes for the final part. In Twitter codes, if you scroll down all the way down to here, this is where you can get started with it. So one thing that most people don't actually have are shards. Shards of life isn't a actual thing that, pretty much what we want is for you to be able to, sorry about that. So right now what we're going to want to do is let's make something called shards. Pretty much if you want, you can copy the Twitch coins function. We're going to name it shard, local clovers, FindFirstChild, shards, if clovers and clovers, yada yada yada, shards of life obtained. There you go. That should be how to reward yourself some shards in a Twitter code. Anyways, let's continue. So the first portion of this is the actual what you want it to be called. So we'll name it tutorial. The second is, what do you want it to do? Do you want it to award an item? Do you want to give boxes or crystals or shards? In our case, we're going to do shards. Next is the, I believe it's the amount. So we'll just go with 1,000. If you want to give yourself a box, you're going to do comma, box, comma, the type of box, so magnificent, and then how many. And that is how you do a code. If you want to give an item, right here, yep, this is a example of an item. Kaboom is an example of a tool, and that's how you make codes. Now, in daily rewards, if you want to, every time you send an update, if you want to give yourself new codes or a refresh of the daily gift, you just change this value right here in local code. There you go. Now, if we hit play, as you can see, we're going to load in. We're going to hit enter. We're going to load, just common stuff. We don't want to do the tutorial. So if we go into here, insert in box. There we go. 100 magnificence. Now I do want to quickly correct something. If we go back up to Twitter code, I'll have this down in the description below. This is actually what you want to use to give shards. And then just to show you that it does work, and you can actually get shards of life. We want it to give shards, and let's just say you wanted to have a really good time, 100,000 of them. Go ahead and hit that sweet play. Load up your save. So as you can see, we have 0 shards. If we hit claim, there we go, 100,000 shards. That's how you do Twitter codes, daily rewards. Start your own modded. Next episode is going to be upgraders. Very simple little boys. So yeah, if you like the video, maybe subscribe. I'm not really too sure. That's up to you. But thank you for watching. I'll make sure to do an ASMR video soon.